happy. The gopis, they're proud also. So then Krishna said, hey, whoa, no, pride is not good, no, Jao. So then, another translation, being honored by the Supreme Soul, Sri Krishna, the gopis became proud, thinking that they are the best ladies in the universe. And Sri Jiva Goswami, Tika, what he says, how he understands this verse, he has a few small words. He says the happiness of amorous love cannot reach its fullness without separation of the lovers. So you're in love and you really love someone, there's some quarrel or some disagreement, some misunderstanding, or as often comes up, and then some don't talk for days, don't see each other, whatever. It depends on the arrangement of the relationship. Maybe not seeing each other but not talking, or minimal talking and obvious unhappy feelings. Then exchange, the gifts are given and a box of chocolate, flowers, flattery and sweet words and humble behavior, and the basic, trying to win. I mean, it's just the movements of love, and so this, and then in the separation, the ego is strong and holding its position, but the heart is hankering to meet the beloved. But the ego is not allowing the heart any space to move. I'm not calling him. I'm not going to speak. No, this is it. If he calls me, great, we'll carry on, otherwise forget it. I don't just get love. So. He hasn't even called, all day. It goes like this. So the gopis are feeling like this, and Krishna also is feeling like this. So this is the way love, from the very beginning of eternal time. So therefore, Jiva Goswami correctly comments that the fulfillment and the richness of love, the intimacy and the ecstasy of the divine union of the loving couples can't reach its zenith without this agonizing, unbearable pain of separation. Even separation in Sanskrit is called fire. It's called Viraha Agni. Agni means fire. Agnihotra people do. And Viraha means Viraha. Raha means to live. And Viraha means to live away, be away from your life. Radha-kun me re raha hum. I live in Radha-kun. So Viraha. So when I'm not with my life, or I'm not living with the one I love, then I'm separated, Viraha, and that burns me. When I'm in separation, my heart burns. In separation, I may be angry, and I cry, but my tears are hot. But when I'm in union, or when I'm meeting my beloved, I may cry in bliss or joy, and my tears are cool in temperature. There's two temperatures of the tears. The tears of separation are hot, and the tears of divine communion and are cool, according to our statements of our acharyas. This is very high perception. Maybe we can have same, I can't say myself.